Conversation between two friends about the exam preparation. Hi, Kim. Hey, Harlan. Glad to see you again. How have you been? I am okay. I did not sleep much last night though. I stayed up until 2 a.m. studying for the exam. Oh. I was up late last night too. The semester is almost over. I have had exams all week. Are you going back to California after you graduate? I think so. After I graduate, I will probably go back home and try to get a job. Do you know where you would like to work? Not yet. But I want to be an English translator. That would be really cool. I would like to be a translator too. But I don't think my English is good enough. Don't worry about that. Your English is better than most of my classmates. Thanks. Where are you going now? I am going to study at the library. I have to take an exam tomorrow. Me too. How late does the library stay open? I think it is open until 11:30 p.m. Okay. Where are you going? I am going to tuition to revise for the exam. Okay. By the way, I am getting late to go library. Good luck for the exam. You too. Bye. Bye. If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.